Hey, welcome back, my friend. Got another log on here. I think it's probably about 9 inches, yeah. And a little bit bigger on the other side, maybe 14 foot long. Let's take a look how long it is. I'm still making a couple more 1x8s. 11 inches on that side. It's got some holes in it. 14 feet, 8 inches. A little over 9. So we're gonna cut that up. I'll see if I can get an 8-inch board out of it somewhere. I'll get a couple of them on the ends here. I'll probably get 2 out of the middle. And then maybe two 6-inch boards. All right, let's cut her up. On the mill is a study cut band that has probably close to 10 logs on it. And it's gonna be coming off soon. I also suspect this is gonna have bugs in it. We'll see. Go down 1 more inch. Did I said we'll save that spot. Let's see. They have it. still running really good though. I like that. Saws are working good. I really like that new up-down speed. And there's my neighbor. The young man, he's gonna help me. He's about 7 years old. Ready to get to work? All right, follow me. Good, I see you brought the trailer. Let's go around right here to the tractor and come over here. This job is done, guys. I'm glad. All right, this is all the black oak / red oak for that trailer decking for both trailers. So I'm glad that's done. I have another log I need to get on here. I have a friend who needs 1.5 by 8-inch boards for just some joists for a deer blind. And he'd like it to be out of hardwood or some sort. So I have oak and I do have some maple. I've got a lot of maple. Let's cut up some of that maple next. So hopefully you guys like this content and come back next week and let's cut the next log up there. All right. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time.